Hello guys and welcome. We have a new all-time high, and I really thought this time with my regular investments the market will crash. And I don't say that often, but I think this year it's the first time when it makes sense to put money aside. Do your monthly investments or whatever period you choose to invest and wait for a great opportunity. Time in the market beats always timing the market, but we have right now really expensive prices. A couple of single stocks are right now in an attractive area to buy, but still there could happen a lot of things in the next couple of months. Especially, as you can see, I reached 22,586 and want to invest a little bit of money which I have in my account. That means I have $660 and I want to buy with no timing, just my regular investments, my VOO ETF. If we look at the 5-year perspective, you can see there are a lot of times in which the market is dipping, but overall it's still going up. And I wait to phases like this in which we have scarcity and I can profit the most. That was the starting point in which I really started to bought single stocks, and that really aggressive. Without this phase and acting on this phase, while everyone was scared, I wouldn't have the performance that I have right now. And yes, it is nothing which will happen a lot of times, but if you are not trying it, how should you be wealthy over time? If we look at my VOO ETF, which is right now my biggest position, I am at the market value of 8,517 and have an average price of 576. And with saying that, I will buy around 400 USD in VOO and submit my order. There's no timing to buy an ETF. If you're able to buy it, do it. Do the boring stuff over a long time. It's not just with investing. It's overall. If you do something boring and be sure that you're not losing money, you could be wealthy. And as you can see, my transfer went already through. I'm almost at 14 shares of VOO and let a little bit of money on my broker if there is opportunity. Because for me personally, I wanted to invest into Duolingo, but still, it is a pretty strange phase with this stock. It is still in a sell-off and I don't know what will happen in the next couple of weeks, month. So I built a little bit of cash on my broker and wait for my opportunity to outperform the market over a short time, to get out gains and put it all into my S&P 500 until I get my first 100k in it and start to do something new. I wanted to speak with you about a couple of general topics. One of them is learning new skills. You are here on an investment channel and I show you my journey and how small steps create wealth over time, but still learning skills, high valuable skills especially, and use them, you will outperform everything. Don't think about compounding just with investing. You have to do that as well with skills. And the only way out is to have a pretty high valuable skill or creating your own business. But still, I couldn't figure out a way. Building your own brand is as well a way, but it's a hard way if you're not showing your face. But I wouldn't regret anything. You learn as well while the process with doing stuff over a long time. While others quit and don't have the discipline to continue, you can outperform everyone. And the only thing what matters is that you really want it. There are no limitations. The only limitation can happen in your own brain and in your own mind. But believe me, do something small. Spend just a couple of hours with that every day and you will see how you grow. If you're not able to do that over a long time, you won't see immediate results. But what matters is the long time, because time flies. And if you do something or not, it will go away anyways. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.